Hello everyone, this is part 2 of API Academy. Let's get started. So now that we have access to the castle, we're going to go inside and we're going to have to acquire a wand. So this is where we have to go, in this little house, right here. Okay. I've already completed it, but I'm going to show you the answers for these. So you can go ahead and click on this link. So they're asking for a type of resource. And if you go ahead and click on this link, it'll take you to this page. And I'm going to put media resource. So I'll just type in media. And now look at the documentation for message resource. So let's go ahead and go there. Message resource. Okay, and they're asking for, let's see, the first property that's listed. So if we scroll down here, we notice that the first property that's listed is body. So let's type in body, and that should give us our want. Okay, now we can go inside. We're gonna go here. It's one thing I forgot. We're gonna talk to this guy right here. Okay, I got my wand. I'm gonna learn the vanishing spell. Okay, and conversation. Oops. And I guess I learned the spell already. So let's go back and press spacebar. Cool. Now let's go through. Here I have to talk to this ghost. Let's see what she says. Go ahead and read through all of these. I'm ready to face the challenges. And I have to give the knight my credentials. Okay. So let's end conversation. Let's go over to the knight. Okay. Welcome to the catacombs. I need your credentials. Okay. So here you need to go to log into Twilio, and you need to provide your account SID and your auth token. Okay, make sure you do not share your auth token with anyone. This is private, only you should know this. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and go to, if you go to log into your Twilio and you go to this page, I'm gonna scroll down just a little bit. Here's the account SID, and right below it is the auth token. Again, this is private, so no one should know this at all. So you're gonna copy this SID and paste it. And you're gonna copy your auth token as well, and you're gonna paste it there. So I'm gonna do that off screen so you won't see, because again, this is a secret. Okay, and once you paste it, oh, it looks like you don't see it. That's cool. We'll press hack, and there you go. Now we can enter. And let's see, can I go this way? Oh, this should be locked here. Yeah, so there should be a key there that we're gonna get, but we have to finish all of the questions first. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to the first one. Okay, what does SDK stand for? Software Development Kit. Twilio does not provide a server-side helper library for C++, so that's B. And finally, one way that libraries can work APIs, blah, blah, blah. This is true. Hack. All right. That was pretty easy. If you wanted to know how to find those answers, just check out the help in those sections. Let's go to the next one. All right. I already have a Postman account. So you should go on to postman.com and make an account. I'm just going to type in confirm because I already have one. Okay, this is, I believe this is false. False. Okay, let's go down. Which tab do you use to set credentials for authenticated API requests in Postman? That's definitely authorization. Authorization. I hope I spelled that right. And finally, I believe this is B. I've seen this here before. If you use Postman, press B, hack, yay. All right, almost there. Okay, I'm gonna save this one for last because there's a lot of steps for this one. So let's just go to this one right here and answer these questions. Okay, which of the following is not an HTTP method? C, update. Which HTTP method you would use? So again, I'm giving you the answers here, but I highly suggest that you go through the objective and help so you can learn. I happen to know a lot of these things already, but again, it's really good to go through all of this documentation. This one is get, and here to create a message using the Twilio programmable SMS API. This is post, hack. All right, cool. Now we're gonna do one last thing here, and this takes quite a bit of steps. So let's take a look at this. So what we're gonna do here, we're actually gonna send a text message from our Twilio account to your phone. So what you need for this, you need a Twilio account with a phone number, and you also need a working phone number so you can test this. Okay. So let's look at this right here. To make a request, you have to provide an account. You have to provide an SID and token. Of course, that's true. This one is 2. Okay. Again, read through the help and objective. You're gonna learn a lot from there. And finally, here we're gonna have to send a text message. So, how do we do that? All right. So first of all, I'm on a Mac. So if you're on a Windows, the process is going to be slightly different. But if you're on a Mac, I can show you. Again, if you're on Windows machine, I'm sorry, I don't have a Windows machine at the moment. So I'm going to show you the steps how to do this with a Mac. Let's open up a terminal. Okay. Open up a terminal, and the first thing that you're gonna do, we need to set environment variables. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you're going to write, let's see, print env. Okay, type in print env, and you're gonna print all of your variables here. So here we're gonna go ahead and set some variables. So let's write export. Okay. So now, okay, so first step, you are going to write print env. Next, you're going to write export, enter. And then we're going to go ahead and set these environment variables. Let me go ahead and pull that up. Okay, so I will leave this link in the description so you can take a look on how to do it yourself. But this is exactly what we're going to do right here. We're going to go ahead and set these variables. Now remember, you need to paste in your SID. You need to paste in your token. Remember, please keep this a secret. You're going to paste your Twilio number, and then you're going to paste the number that you're going to send the text to. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this here up to the equal sign. Copy. Let's go back to our terminal, paste, and we're gonna find our SID. Let me go ahead and grab it. Okay, so here's your account SID. Paste, press enter. Okay, now we're gonna do the next one. Copy this up until the equal sign. Copy. We're gonna do paste. And here you're gonna paste your auth token. So I'm gonna do this off screen. because you're gonna be able to see my off token, and I don't want that. Let me go ahead and get my off token. Okay, we're gonna copy it. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay. Now, since I have my off token showing here, I'm going to do it on a notepad. So after you've pasted your off token, you're going to hit enter. Make believe this is your terminal. Let me show you how to do this. This is not it. Okay, you're going to copy here. Command copy. Paste. Okay, and then here you're going to find your Twilio number, which should be in the same spot. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, I'm gonna do that on my terminal. And finally, you are gonna put in the number that you're gonna send the text to. Here we go. Copy. Okay, you're gonna press paste. And now, oops, okay. Now, the format, you have to follow this format right here. You have to press +1 if you're in the United States, and then you're gonna write your number. So I'm gonna put a fake number here. +1 987 654 3211. Okay, and then press enter. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on mine, but this time I'm gonna put a real phone number. Next, you're gonna go ahead and copy all of this right here. Okay. Oh, sorry. You could just press right here, copy. Okay, you're gonna press enter, remember. And then you're gonna go ahead and paste this right here. Okay. So I'm gonna do that on my terminal. Paste, press enter. Let's see. Where's my phone? I should be receiving a text message. And notice, I don't know if you can see it, okay? You're gonna see here, hi there, this is a test message from Curl, okay? Now, what you need to do, you need to find the SID. And where do you find that? Let me go ahead and grab it for you. Where's my terminal? Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the whole response. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it right here, and I'm gonna show you where you're gonna find that number. Okay, so this is the response that I got from Twilio, and this is your SID right here. Okay, you need to copy that. Copy. You're gonna paste it, and hopefully this should work. We'll press hack. Perfect. Now we can go ahead and grab that key. Okay, spacebar to grab the key. So we can go ahead and claim your scroll. Spacebar to open it up. And here we go. I've gotten my pledge scroll. That means everything in the API Academy inside Perimeter is completed for now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.